Hey everybody, today in this quick tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can create a Gmail account on your Realme. So let's get started. First, go to setting, and then you need to just scroll down to end and you will see Google service and preference. So tap there, and in my case, I haven't signed in, so I will sign in this. But in your case, you can simply add the account, okay? So just sign in or add the account and input your device password and hit your next, and simply right now you need to create an account. As you guys can see, there is a create account. Tap there, and for my personal use, you can input any name that you wanted to. For example, I'm just going to type my channel name here and input your date here, and you can select your gender and hit on next. Now Gmail will give you the random email for yourself, so I like this second one, or you can also create yourself as your name. So I'm just going to create here Haxoid 2. So I'm just going to create this email here because I think it's a perfect one for me, and I'm going to hit next. And now you can create the password here, so make sure that you create the strong one. And once you guys are happy with your password, click on next and tap on next once again. Scroll down and you can tap on I agree, and this will launch Google service for this account. So you can just turn this off, the backup data, and accept that. Alright guys, your Gmail is ready. Now you can log in this on your YouTube or Play Store, wherever that you guys wanted to. So now you can see that the Play Store is already launching me with my new account. In your case, you can choose your account by tapping on this icon, and you should see any other accounts. And also let me show you in setting once again. So this is what you guys will see. So in intro I told you that you need to add. So to add, you need to tap here and you need to add the account from here. All right, so just tap on add account. It will take you to same page that we have entered. Then you can just basically follow this video. You can also use this account on your YouTube. It will automatically log in, and as you guys can see that, just launch me short, and you can see this is how it should appear on your YouTube. You have a YouTube account as well. And yes guys, this is how you should create the Gmail with your Realme device, and it's that simple. So thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.